Not fairly typical, I'm afraid, of August. It's not what you want out there. The only people that will be happy, gardeners and farmers maybe. But we've got a weather warning out for a real cluster of thunderstorms that's brewing up as we speak, particularly across East Anglia, the Midlands and the north of England, all tied into this area of low pressure in the front. The satellite picture really just picks up that curl of cloud quite beautifully, and underneath it there are some pretty sharp showers. Not too bad along that south coast, but you can see a few more widespread ones just starting to develop to the north of London, across East Anglia, through the southern half of Lincolnshire and into the Midlands as well. This is where the heaviest of these showers will be, and some of them merging together for fairly persistent spells of rain as you push up into the north of England too. Not too bad an afternoon with those showers few and far between, just one or two to the northwest of the Great Glen, but for the rest of Scotland some breaks in the cloud and even some sunshine continuing for you here. 18 degrees in Northern Ireland, largely fine and largely dry but breezy with a northwesterly wind. You could prefer a slightly different wind direction at this time of year. Plenty of cloud but a dry afternoon across much of Wales and the southwest as well. Pleasant enough. We could certainly have more sunshine, but at least it's relatively dry for you. Now, as we continue into the evening and through the night as well, we maintain this slightly quieter feel the further west you are, but we really start to drag in a north to northeasterly wind and a cluster of showers push in off the North Sea, and that's really an indication of what's to come for tomorrow. Some of those really could turn quite heavy for a time across southern Scotland and the northeast of England. Overnight lows between 10 and 13 degrees. So we start off tomorrow morning with these showers to the east of the Pennines, some of them really quite heavy. Add on the strength of that wind, that is going to feel really miserable, I'm afraid, for holiday makers. Some of those showers drift further inland, affecting the Midlands, the southeast corner. Again, the further west you go, you'll probably get the best of the brightness and the warmth as well. 21 degrees expected high in Glasgow. Underneath the cloud and the rain, the most that we can look forward to is 15 to 18 degrees. Now, if you're heading off to the athletics at Crystal Palace, well, looks as though the weather conditions fairly typical to what they had in Barcelona just a couple of weeks ago. Some sharp showers dotted around. Now, the outlook for the next couple of days, the showers still lingering in the southeast on Saturday, but things do get just that little bit drier and just that little bit warmer in the south. That's it from me. I'll be back with more details in half an hour.